evening and welcome back. We've been watching this thing like a hawk today. It started out with rain overnight, then it eventually became very high winds over the noon hour, and it left us with a wintry mix. You're seeing the last remnants of that move through the area. Now, Champaign did have a little bit of blowing snow, making travel treacherous at times. Also, Piatt County reported some icing. Basically, that was a wintry mix. There are other areas of the state further north that are still treacherous at this time. Chicago, though, as much as they worried, did not have any problem with snow today. Now, Futurecast is showing us what's happening. Everything is moving out. We're going to have clear conditions, but only for a while. 36 currently, although it feels like 22. Visibility back up to 10 miles after visibility was impaired at times today. Here are your rainfall totals. Effingham, 2 1/4 inches of rainfall, most of that at midday, heavy rain falling at times. Terre Haute with more than 2 inches of rain, and Taylorville, nearly 1 3/4 inches of rain. Also, Danville and Paris over 1 3/4 inches, as was Robinson. So that rain spread all around throughout the area, and at the very end, it took one last jab at us, this system, and that resulted in, again, some blowing snow on the roads of Champaign County, a little bit of icing in DeWitt and Piatt counties. Also further away in places like Peoria, Springfield, and Iroquois and Kankakee counties, roads were very treacherous late this afternoon. How about those winds? East-west travel, not good today. I experienced it myself. Willard Airport near Champaign in southern Champaign County, up to almost 70 miles per hour with the gusts. Coles County here, we had 56 miles an hour on the gusts, and numerous communities over 50 miles an hour today. So we warned you about those winds, and once again, the warning was well founded. 29 degrees for the overnight low, clearing into sunrise. We will have some problems with gusts overnight, although maybe 25 to 30 miles an hour. For tomorrow, those winds die down. We will have a high of 52. 52, you say, that's cold, but that's actually a little bit above average for this time of year. Tomorrow is only March 4th, and comparing tomorrow's expected high temperature, we're going to be moving up thanks to some continued winds from the southeast, this time 57 degrees on Sunday, and Monday is the hot one, 68 degrees. It's going to be by itself for the early part of the month. We're not expecting many days like this in early and mid-March, and it's a good day for having a volleyball match. It's summer-like temperature, well, spring. Sister City Park has the first match of the year, the first ever home match for the volleyball team, the beach volleyball team at EIU. That's at Sister City Park. But there could be a problem with tossing up that volleyball and smacking it, because it might not ever return if it gets caught in the wind. Winds greater than 30 miles per hour on Monday afternoon. I certainly hope they die down. Back to the current circumstances. Again, we're watching the final remnants move out. There were some times of intensification. Some thunderstorms were experienced, very widely scattered. And again, we did see some snowflakes here at Charleston, but that's over now. 29 degrees, clearing into sunrise, and here is your outlook for the 7 days to come. You see, at the end of the 7-day period, we're back to actually below normal temperatures for this time of year, and that might stick around for a while.